Hello, my name is Jose, and this is my video walkthrough for assignment 5 in SYS 4930, dealing with persistence. For this assignment, chose to use Firebase for Google, just from a little bit more easier syntax to kind of handle, and as well as just like readability ends up going out fairly decent. As far as effects onto the code, the majority of this is taking place on the actual APIs portion. So if you go to my things here, a lot of the same dialogues, all the same syntax, still handling the DTOs, and have the libraries here that's shared with the API. So all the same kind of things in there. Main differences being you still have the web request, we still have the converter from the DTO for JSON. Main difference being here, so in this comment we see where we commented out before we were creating an initial empty library, or just kind of basic two items list, and now we have the database we'll be referring to, as well as the interaction kind of portion of it, and then just a basic list that's empty. So as far as how that changed here, we got initializing it to the new list. Once this will be getting the folders that have all the list items. We'll be loading them into the list. If that returns is not null, or that there's actually items, then it'll go ahead and send them in the normal way. So all the syntax still works really similar, just have these additional statements where we are actually modifying the database as well as the items here. We're not too worried about the context, or I wasn't too worried about it, given the fact that we were mostly focusing on being able to edit the external database and have that be influenced by the buttons here. So we'll go ahead and show that now. So we're linking up to the database, and we get our nifty controller out. So the database here on the right side, controller on the left. So if you see, we've got nothing in this items list right now. Make sure none of these are waiting on me to do something.